If you want to wear a mask, wear a mask. If you want to wear a mask, wear a mask. If you want to wear a mask, then just wear a stinking mask. But let everybody live the way they want. If you don't want to wear a mask, don't wear a mask. If you don't want to wear a mask, don't wear a mask. If you don't want to wear a mask, then don't wear a stinking mask. Just let everybody live the way they want. If you want to get the jab, then get the jab. If you want to get the jab, then get the jab. If you want to get the jab, then just get the stinking jab. But let everybody live the way they want. If you don't want to get the jab, don't get the jab. If you don't want to get the jab, don't get the jab. If you don't want to get the jab, then don't get the stinking jab. But let everybody live the way they want. That's my message to the government. Let everybody live the way they want. Cheers.